Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 26th of October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi urged German firms to invest in India, says this is the right time. Centre urged states to enhance preparedness against rising air pollution risk. Odisha CM said no report of any loss of human life due to cyclone Dana. India China have begun troop disengagement in Ladakh, Northern Army commander said. PM Modi to share his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani on October 27. President Murmu said latest medical techniques should be used for people living in remote areas. Now, international news. Norway to enforce minimum age limit of 15 for social media use. Race against time to avoid Lebanon. Conflagration, European Union. Germany has increased visas for skilled Indians to 90,000, PM Modi. US President Joe Biden to apologize for abuse of Native American children. Hong Kong's first dinosaur fossils go on display. Now, some sports news. Arjun Erigaisi entered elusive 2800 club in live ratings. India's participation at World Wrestling Championships cleared. Now news related to business. L&T bags significant order for global nuclear fusion project. HAL appointed Barinya Senapati as Director Finance. Officer competency model drew from PM's Mann Ki Baat speeches. Credit growth for banks to slow to 12% in financial year 25, ICRA. And that's all in news. Thank you.